spark or something.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm doing something wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So you got start over here. Which means it's just running off this, so we may not be getting fuel to it, is what I'm getting at.
Yeah.
Let me just get out of here. That's all I want to find out. See if I want to start. That's my. Oh, that's it. Okay. I want to see. All right, I'm about to get a little. See, I'm about to get a little wrench. We're gonna stop and start gassing that carburetor.
Mm-hmm.
It'll start until it runs out of the gas that's in it.
Yeah.
But starting fuel is like gas.
Yeah.
Get it starting fluid.
Yeah.
What I want to do. See the bottom of this?
Yeah.
Just this thing right here.
Yep.
This is on and off fuel. Here's your fuel.
Yeah. Your
tank or your fuel line, I guess.
Yeah.
What I want to do is I want to see if there's any fuel coming out. This is just see the fuel.
Oh, fuel.
It's yeah. Shuts off.
Yeah.
Shuts off.
Hmm.
I just wanted to make sure you had.
Yeah.
That, so I know that part's probably working.
Yeah.
Don't mean it's. He's thinking like gas all day now.
Mm-hmm.
Hard to get that fluid stuff. So, let's tighten it back to where it was. Don't have to over tighten it, but just snug it up so the air gets in it. Alright, so let's let that fill up. And this could be some. What's coming down here? Okay. Not to get dirty here. Yeah, we should move this. You don't have to. Let's see if this. This might. I can't remember if it has that spring. So I'm not sure. Oh, this takes the whole thing off.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You got gas.
A lot of gas.
Yeah. So that's gas in the bowl. Now, could be, like most of the time, that's why I was asking you, there's jets.
Yeah.
Little bitty holes you can't even see hardly.
Yeah.
And they don't take much to get old gas or something. If you here's something. When you put something away, when Papa gets done with his mowing, I know I ain't gonna be mowing for a long time, like real winter. I put in a stabilizer in the gas.
Yeah.
or get rid of the gas because it'll do something like this. So you got to take your whole carburetor off.
Yeah.
And then you got to I don't even know what this is.
I don't know what the heck that is, dude.
I know it's part of something. I just want to make sure there's fuel coming out. Sometimes you got to just go with a little bit what you know. But I might mess something up. I don't like food that much too much until I find out what it is. I don't know what that is. I'm going to go ahead and close that up. Alright. Should be closed. Okay, there seems to be some adjustments. What's this say? Just disconnect servicing machine. Okay, so that's the spark plug. We got spark. My guess is this don't start relatively short. And we might spray it a time or two and it might pick up the gas and be done with it. But it might need to take this off and clean it or something. That's why I was asking, because that's a bigger job. And you got to have a few extra little special tools. And we'll try to start it without that.
Yeah.
So we got this, we got to put it in start. This runs at full speed, so we can maybe. Let's see if it'll just get lucky. It's just a vapor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought we were going to have it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got a car problem.
Yeah.
It's like it's right there, but it's just something blocking it. All right.
Yeah.
What's your boy? Fishing? What I need to do, I want to get it up there somewhere. We got to fill this tire up. I don't think it's a big problem, but let's see right here. I just wonder if I could. Oh, that's going to plug in here. All right, I'll just have to push this in here.
We gotta turn the electricity on.
Yeah, I know it. You know how to do that? Go ahead and turn the electric.
Hmm.
See. Let's go put a little air in it. Make it easy to roll. All right. Gotta get a chair or something. Are these chairs, they breakable?
They're not.
How am I going to do this? How am I going to do this without messing it up? Can't just start taking things apart.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
What I worry about is, what's this thing?
That's the HO valve.
It's called an overhead valve.
Yeah. Got valve inside.
I know, boys. I wonder why it's got a exhaust or something.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, it just sticks in there for some reason. It's kind of needs to be weird for right now. Useless. It's like there's this. You got to be careful with some of these cracking.
Yeah.
Oh, he's already got it. See that? Once you get started in this, man, it could be a while.
Mm-hmm.
Just don't know how much I want to get into it right now.
Mm-hmm.
But even if I get into it, we don't. At least we got to start on it.
Yeah.
To learn a little bit more about it. All right. Let me see. I think I got a clips, pinch your gas line, and lock in.
Yeah.
I found a pair yesterday.
Good.
And I put it out, and I wish I had it here. I gave you a pair. You probably don't have it in here nowhere. You get lost.
I think I had a few, but I have no idea what they're at now.
Because there's going to be all this stuff here. This is where it gets tricky out.
Yeah.
All this stuff gets on there, man.
Spider webs under and everything.
I ain't worried about that. What's that? I'd like to know where here's the gas.
Yeah.
So this is the gas line right there. So we know we're getting gas down to here and here.
Yeah.
And it must be connected to inside the carburetor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not sure what that does. That's some kind of something.
Yeah.
Man, if we could just get, wish there was a way I could put like a pour in. I'm trying to make it easy. I wish there was a way to get some cleaner to there without taking all this apart. It's just might lose some gas up there. I don't know.
We got gas leaking.
Huh?
We got gas going on.
Where? Yeah, I figured it might. Yeah.
There.
I didn't worry too much about it. What? Read this out. Can you read?
Yep.
Read that.
You must run 15-20 minutes every 3 months and add fuel stabilizers or avoid
What's happened? I'm just gonna let a little gas go.
Just if you know like or full back up with gas.
Let me go get that tool. I'm gonna try something. It's easy to work. Let's turn the gas off first of all. Doofus. That ain't gonna stop that, but it'll stop this. Let me see something. I just want to investigate this. It's hard to, when you're on the ground, you never fool with a piece of machinery. You don't know what to expect. These are all pretty much. If I can get to the jets, that would be super cool. Lose more gas.
Yeah.
Lose. This is it. I'm gonna put everything in this little.
Yeah. I'm back.
Can't lose this stuff. what's that, the float?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can car clear. This might be alright. Let's see. Let's try. No one get gas here. Matter of fact,
Hmm.
yeah, I'm gonna have to try it. We'll get a little deeper.
Yeah.
I don't know how deep I'll get in here today. We shall see.
When I get really deep fall, I know.
Hmm?
When I get really deep fall, I know. It's a pretty good crafting tool set.
Mm-hmm. Same way your all is. Right.
Yeah.
I'll put a few extra things in here. Says it's available. Here and there.
You want to get a 10 millimeter?
I didn't know we had 10. Take these two screws off on the top too. I think.
Yeah.
Let's connect that on her. Now we get somewhere maybe. Take a look at this out. There's your
What's the Finco gasket? Bottle. Screws.
yeah, it's your butterfly.
Yeah.
Trying to try not to have to take all of it off.
Yeah.
So why not? Because I want to. You gotta take this thing off. Oh, what was that? Yeah. Where's that? That's your fuel line right there. All right, I'm gonna try to find some. How's that? We'll try. We're doing about a little better than half. Because I'll need to study this to know more about it. I don't know much about this. Well, the carburetor should be the same. Let's see, I'm just trying to get anything I can get in clean. It's just what it does. Loosen up stuff. That's what this stuff does.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty important right here. All right, that's pretty much it. That's about all I can do now. Now that I see that it's not very hard to take apart.
Yeah.
If this doesn't work, then I'm coming back again.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, whenever. We're gonna take it all apart and break it down.
Yeah.
Small little things. But today, I just wanted to get I'll study this. Study a little more on it. Let's see. So we're gonna take off last.
God. I think it was that bowl.
Yeah, the ball is last.
I think so.
Let's see something. Let's go back. See what we have. Just seals that. That's what was last put on. It's got to go there too. It's got to be slow too. Tell you, man, it ain't much. Oh, I got you.
What that is.
I guess it's strange. When I was looking at it, I'll show you. You gotta watch. You gotta pay attention to detail, baby.
Yeah.
So this is finite stuff. See this?
Yeah.
Watch. What I was looking at.
I know what's coming off. Oh, watch.
See this?
Yeah.
Watch. You see it, but you don't see it. Watch. See that?
Yeah.
There ain't one on this one.
Yeah.
I hope I'm getting it.
Oh, God.
No, I mean, just laid it there. I don't see it. Make those shorter. Can't find nothing sitting on the butt sometimes. I don't think it. I just didn't. I never seen nothing fall out or nothing.
I never did.
Just curious as to why one is. What is that? It's crazy. Crazy. Don't make sense. You need to have one-on-one right there. Think of holding up a quarter. Something smaller hanging up something more important. Quarter's more than a nickel. Dollar's more than a nickel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just high. I bet your dollar's down there somewhere.
Yeah.
I bet you. I bet you. He'd go in that car wherever he wants to do up there.
How's it going over here?
This will be the not so fun part of it.
Mm-hmm.
Wherever that goes.
I'm only going to give you, max, 3.
Let's see.
I should put you into this. You driving? You driving? Driving in my car. I'm not in your car. Oh, yeah, you going somewhere? Where you going? Where you going, girl? Oh, that's nice. Don't do that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah.
Oh, ring.
You're not damn pain. Too much pain.
I don't like that too much.
Mm-hmm.
What's that thing do? Like the way that's sticking out. Still right there in the dirt bag. You guys ain't got no silicone grease, do you? Probably not.
No, I doubt.
See, I'll bring some of that next time. You put silicone grease on this. This will keep it. See this one? See it's got a round side?
Yeah.
See, that's got a flat side.
Yeah.
That's how crazy stuff gets.
Mm-hmm.
If it ain't right, it'll leak.
Mm-hmm.
If it's leaking fuel. It's sucking air. That's the worst thing.
Mm-hmm.
So you put this stuff together, it ain't like you just shove it on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's, what time does your dad work tomorrow? It's probably take a minute to run. It's probably I don't know. All right. Let's I'm gonna put a little starter fluid on it just to get it going.
Mm-hmm.
Keep your fingers crossed.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I can say. Now, let me see if I should be enough.
Uh-huh.
I think I flooded it.
Yeah.
Very possible.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make sure everything's on. Should be on. So we got gas on. So I didn't flood it. This oh, that's all. That's all. It all works the same.
Mm.
This is fast. This is slow. The medium. Let's see. That's how you shut it off. What's that?
Oh, there's something.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Yeah, this is pretty good.
So what have you learned? Nothing.
Well,
Tell me what you learned.
we got
Doing this stuff is trying to help you one day in your life. So that means you got good spark.
yes.
That means it's running. You're just not getting fuel. And then you're saying, well, we ain't started for 6 months. It's been a couple months. Dad, I don't know if he did this or did that. So, anytime you have a problem, one of the problems, hey, why don't we just pull it out? Let's try to start it. Don't start. I know the gas is decent. If the gas is bad, if it's sitting there for 6 months a year, just take the gas out.
Yeah.
I don't care how you got to gas. Suck it out with a little pump or open something like that. Just drain it like that. It ain't going to hurt nothing.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe take some good gas and run some good gas till you flush it out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then if that don't work, get your carburetor, take it off if you can. I wanted to take it all off, but I didn't have certain little tools that I need.
Yeah.
Because I want to kill that gas, yada, yada, yada.
Yeah.
But I had enough access to a lot of the important things. I could spray that junk in it.
Yeah.
So, here, it says put this here, just the throttle. I think the warm say something that's bad gas.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Go ahead, road, man. This is your butterfly. See that?
Yeah.
It's like butterfly. Remember that thing we took off?
Yeah.
See that? That's what this. You can adjust it. You got to turn the fuel off.
It might just be when I do gas, maybe. I think it might be.
Huh?
I think it's when I gas.
No. Just learn how to idle.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
You got to get good gas first.
Yeah.
Bad gas, bad result.
Uh-huh.
See, this says start and run. I think sometimes your dad might, like I was, thinking you got to push that all the way over there to run. Now, you run, but sometimes you got to throttle it, work with it a little bit.
Yeah.
This is your speed. This turns it up faster, like your gas pedal. Like your gas pedal. That's what this is. Throttle.
Yeah.
Well, now we got to turn this off.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy how that works. I'd like to learn more about that. The switch.
Mm-hmm.
Because here you got a gas engine.
Yeah.
It's just like you got a gas weed eater.
Yeah.
And you got that little button on there that says on and off.
Mm-hmm.
And it kills you. It's funny how, I like to know how it does that. You got a spark plug that's sparking. There must be a magneto or something in there. Anyway, where do you want me to put this?
All back in the shed, Papa.
Back in the shed?
Yeah.
So I would tell you, Dad, let's turn the fuel off so they don't get in the carburetor. That'd be the number one thing. And number one is probably get some more gas. Or he's got gas. He'll need some more. I'm sure it burns gas pretty heavy. This tire here, it filled up a little bit. It's just that
Kind of flying across.
that chuck, I might get him one. I got a couple at home. I don't have it in here.
Yeah.
That chuck,
Yeah.
it ain't doing right. They get broke. You seen it run though.
Yep. Sounds good. A nice dinner.